Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to review the situation on euro-dollar on August 18th. The situation overnight was the following. There was some volatility. We can see that the Canadian dollar was the strongest currency and the British pound was the weakest. If we check the situation over the last 24 hours, we can see that the US dollar gained 0.35%, and basically some of commodity currencies like Australian dollar and New Zealand, they decreased in value. So still we have this scenario of risk off. So risk off theme is currently in focus on the market, and the stock markets have fallen over 1% yesterday, and this created some pressure on the Forex market. And usually in this situation, safe haven currencies such as the Japanese yen, the Swiss franc, and the US dollar, they gain over their competitors. The situation is more clear if you check the weekly period. You can see that both the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc are clear winners, and the US dollar is also a winner. And the commodity currencies, which are considered risky currencies, are the losers. Let's check once again the situation on the calendar. So yesterday we had a few events. First of all, we had retail sales that disappointed the market. It was much weaker than expected, but this is a very volatile indicator, as you can see. And also we had, later we had a speech by Jerome Powell, but it was for the US teachers and students. It was not that relevant. And we had also the industrial production, which came out stronger than expected. So the data was rather mixed. However, the situation was very interesting because we had a very strong price reaction. I think this is mainly due to risk aversion. We had this strong movement. And this type of impulses are pretty strong, and we retested the support level 117. I think there's a potential to break this level. So our recommendation would be to consider a short only. And if we check the daily situation, we can see that finally we're back to this level. We moved far away from the triangle, and there's a potential for the downside movement. The best case scenario would be to wait for another impulse and confirmation that the downtrend is kind of continues its way, and then wait for the small correction or for more meaningful correction up to the level 117, and then place short limits or open market orders in the direction of the trend. So in my opinion, the shorts are recommended. And the best trade would be just to wait for the another leg of the impulse and enter the market on the wave. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Please leave your comments and questions if you have any, and subscribe to the channel.